Savvy Home Guide has published a new article entitled How to Choose the Best Vacuum Cleaner, which sheds light on the buying guide for the best vacuum cleaners. This should be of particular interest to homeowners, renters, and anyone in the market for a new vacuum cleaner because it covers a wide range of topics. One of the most important pieces of information the article tries to convey and communicate is the emphasis on understanding one's cleaning needs before purchasing a vacuum cleaner. The best example of this is perhaps found in the following extract. When shopping for a vacuum cleaner, consider the features that are important to you. In discussing the article's creation, Ashley Wells, Head of Operations and Content Excellence at Savvy Home Guide, said, "Choosing the right vacuum cleaner is about understanding. The key to making a well-informed decision in a cleaning appliance that will meet your needs for years to come." Regular readers will notice the article takes a familiar tone. Savvy Home Guide now welcomes comments and questions from readers in relation to the article, as they are intent on provide valuable guidance and insights. Click the link in the description to find out more.